Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, guys, here from Jacksonville, Florida. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you are excited. It's probably been maybe a week or so since my last video. I try to get videos out for you at least once a week. Maybe in the future I may start doing a little bit more often than that. But right now my time permits me to get at least one out a week. And I kind of want to come to you cut this quick video just for those of you that may be new to this channel, may not know much about this channel. This channel is all about the entrepreneur, all about you, the entrepreneur. So whether you work a 9 to 5 and you're an entrepreneur, whether you're strictly an entrepreneur, this channel is all about just providing you with resources, tools, systems, inspiration to help you become a better entrepreneur. So anything about make money online, yeah, I'll be sharing on this channel. So that's what this channel is about. So if you like what you've seen, if you've seen my videos, if you like it, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, click that little bell so that you're notified of any new videos that I do put out when I do put them out. So this week, as always, I want to make sure that you're aware of things that help you grow in your business. And this coming Wednesday, MLSP does something pretty cool, that I think you should be at. So if you're watching this video this coming Wednesday, the 15th of May, MLSP is going to give you a live demo, and as you can see from the writing here, it says live demo and announcement. Amazing innovations helping people just like you get leads and customers, position you as the expert, and create cash in any business. After extensive beta testing and 10 plus years of developing the biggest leaders you see online today, this breakthrough software is ready to help you take your business to the next level. And guys, I'm going to come to you and tell you right now that for since 2010, I've been using MLSP as a good one of the best tools I think to have in my business to help me grow my business online, because I mostly do affiliate marketing, online marketing, and I have nothing but good things to say about the tools that they use. So this Wednesday, be sure that you are on this webinar. It's a live webinar. So what you're going to hear, what you're going to learn is why 97% stay broke and never make money online, and how to avoid the death trap. One simple step to anchor you as the expert, make more sales, create more cash flow in your business. A new technology to embody the 3 top earner attributes that predict your success. How to build a dream business they promise you even if you hate technology. And the secret that's so impactful to your bottom line that you have to witness this online event. So guys, all I can say is just be here. Just be here. Sign up for the webinar. It's going to give you all the tools and research that you need to make the rest of your 2019 a successful year for your business. So again, if you are a network marketer, affiliate marketer, online marketer, direct sales, be sure to come on to this webinar. There's some good stuff here. I'm not going to reveal it here, but they're going to reveal it on the webinar for you. So I will leave a link at the bottom, enter your best email on that link there, sign up for it, and be sure to join me this Wednesday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, May 15th. Of course, if you're watching this video after May 15th, the webinar is over, so that's why I cut it here quickly for you. All right, guys, that's it. Just want to tell you about that. Be sure to register. I will see you guys on this coming Wednesday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's May the 15th. Talk to you soon. This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. Out. See you soon. Peace.